Want to know the top 15 websites for affiliate marketing? In today's digital world, affiliate marketing is a powerful tool for monetizing online platforms. It has become an essential part of the digital marketing landscape, offering a win-win situation for both advertisers and publishers. It's a flexible source of income and a great way to enhance your online presence. Get ready to explore the world of affiliate marketing and discover the best platforms to start your journey. So without further ado, let's dive into our top 15 websites for affiliate marketing. Starting at number 15, we have CJ Affiliate. This platform is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world. It boasts a user-friendly interface that is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those new to affiliate marketing. One of CJ Affiliate's key features is its vast product range. It offers a broad spectrum of products across multiple categories, providing affiliate marketers with a wide array of options to choose from. This diverse selection means you can always find something that aligns with your niche and audience. But what sets CJ Affiliate apart is its partnerships with big-name brands. Working with these brands not only adds credibility to your marketing efforts, but also gives you access to high-quality products that your audience will love. As for payment, CJ Affiliate offers a reliable and timely payment system, ensuring that you get your hard-earned commissions without delay. CJ Affiliate, a fantastic starting point for any budding affiliate marketer. At number 14, we have ShareASale. Known for its extensive affiliate network, ShareASale has made quite a name for itself in the affiliate marketing world. It's easy to see why. With a user-friendly interface, even those new to affiliate marketing can navigate the site with ease. Delving deeper, ShareASale offers a wide array of features that make it stand out. It caters to both advertisers and affiliates, providing a platform that promotes growth and profitability. But what truly sets ShareASale apart is its excellent customer service. You're never left in the dark, with support teams ready to assist at a moment's notice. And let's not forget about the product range. From fashion to home goods and even software, there's something for every niche. The diversity of products means more opportunities for affiliates to earn commissions. So, whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting out, ShareASale has got you covered. ShareASale, a great choice for those looking for variety and quality. Coming in at number 13, ClickBank. This platform is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world, boasting an extensive digital product catalog. If you're looking to promote digital products, ClickBank should definitely be on your radar. One of the standout benefits of ClickBank is its high commission rates. In some cases, affiliates can earn up to 75% per sale, which is truly impressive. This means that with the right strategy and product selection, the earning potential on ClickBank can be substantial. Ease of use is another key advantage of ClickBank. Its platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it simple for affiliates to find and promote products. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or a newbie, navigating ClickBank is a breeze. When it comes to payments, ClickBank is reliable and offers several methods, including checks and direct deposits. This ensures that affiliates receive their earnings in a timely and convenient manner. ClickBank, a top choice for those focusing on digital products. At number 12, we have Rakuten Marketing. With a reputation that resonates worldwide, Rakuten Marketing has certainly made its mark as a global leader in the affiliate marketing industry. This isn't by chance, folks. Rakuten's success is rooted in its innovative marketing solutions that are designed to meet the diverse needs of affiliate marketers. Rakuten Marketing doesn't just offer a platform, it offers an ecosystem where affiliates can thrive. The platform is home to a wide range of affiliate programs, spanning various niches, from fashion to tech, and everything in between. This makes it a hub for affiliates, regardless of their area of interest. But Rakuten's appeal goes beyond its wide selection. The platform is also known for its user-friendly interface and top-notch support team, making it an appealing choice for both beginner and seasoned affiliates. And let's not forget one of the most important factors for any affiliate marketer: payment. Rakuten Marketing supports multiple payment methods, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Rakuten Marketing, a global leader in the affiliate marketing world. At number 11, we have Avangate Affiliate Network. Now, this isn't your run-of-the-mill affiliate network. Avangate stands out with its unique focus on software and digital goods. This platform is a haven for tech enthusiasts and software sellers, providing a dedicated space to connect and profit. But what's the big deal about Avangate? Well, it's all in the numbers. Avangate boasts some of the highest commission rates in the industry. This means more money in your pocket for every successful referral. But what's a high commission rate without a reliable payment system? Fear not, because Avangate has you covered. The network ensures timely payments, so you can sit back and watch your earnings grow without any worries about when you'll see your hard-earned cash. In a nutshell, if you're into software and digital goods, Avangate is your go-to affiliate network. Offering high commission rates and a reliable payment system, it's a platform designed to make your affiliate marketing journey a profitable one. Avangate, the go-to for software and digital goods. Breaking into our top 10, Amazon Associates. This is a program that gives you access to millions of products across every conceivable category. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities for affiliate marketers. With Amazon Associates, you're not just promoting a single product or a niche selection. You're given the keys to an incredibly diverse marketplace that caters to almost every type of consumer out there. What makes it even more appealing is its user-friendly tools. Amazon Associates simplifies the process of linking products, tracking sales, and managing your affiliate business. It's designed to make your life easier and your marketing efforts more effective. But let's not forget about the payment system. Amazon Associates is notable for its reliable payouts. You can choose from several payment options, ensuring you receive your earnings in a way that suits you best. Amazon Associates, leveraging the power of the world's largest online retailer. It opens up a world of potential for affiliate marketers. At number 9, the eBay Partner Network. Step into the world of eBay's affiliate program, where every item is an opportunity. From vintage vinyl records to the latest tech gadgets, eBay's vast range of products offers a veritable treasure trove for affiliate marketers. By joining the eBay Partner Network, you're opening the door to millions of unique products to promote. No matter your niche, eBay's got you covered. And here's the cherry on top. eBay is renowned for its reliable commission payments. You can rest assured that your hard work will be rewarded on time, every time. Whether you're looking to promote antique furniture or the hottest fashion trends, eBay's affiliate program is a goldmine. The diversity of products and the reliability of the program make it a perfect fit for both beginners and seasoned affiliate marketers. So why not leverage this opportunity? eBay Partner Network, a reliable choice for a wide range of products. At number 8, we have Flex Offers. A platform that has carved a niche for itself in the affiliate marketing world, Flex Offers provides an extensive range of affiliate programs, ensuring there's something for everyone. Whether you're into technology, fashion, or home goods, you can find a program that suits your market. One of the standout features of Flex Offers is its user-friendly interface. Easy navigation and a clean layout make it a breeze for both beginners and experienced marketers to find their way around. It's a platform that won't leave you scratching your head in confusion. But that's not all. Flex Offers also comes with a reliable payment system. Payments are made monthly, and the platform supports several methods, including check, direct deposit, and PayPal. So no matter where you're located, you can trust Flex Offers to deliver your earnings promptly and securely. Flex Offers, offering flexibility and variety. A true embodiment of its name, Flex Offers is a platform that's worth considering for your affiliate marketing journey. Coming in at number 7, Impact. Impact has been turning heads with its innovative platform, pushing boundaries and setting new standards for affiliate marketing. It's not just an affiliate network, it's a partnership automation platform that drives growth and increases revenue. Impact offers a plethora of high-paying affiliate programs. From fashion to finance, technology to travel, they have a vast range of industries covered. This diversity makes it a versatile choice for affiliates with different niches. Whether you're new to the game or an affiliate marketing veteran, Impact has opportunities for everyone. But it's not just about the high-paying programs. Impact also boasts a reliable payment system. With Impact, you don't have to worry about delayed payments or unclear terms. They're transparent, timely, and trustworthy. In a world where reliability can sometimes be scarce, Impact stands out. It's a platform that delivers, both in terms of opportunities and payouts. Impact, making a strong impact in the affiliate marketing world. At number 6, we have Owin. Awin shines in the affiliate marketing world with its global reach. It's an international network that connects businesses across the globe, providing a platform for marketers to tap into a diverse range of affiliate programs. Whether you're interested in fashion, tech, travel, or lifestyle niches, Owin has got you covered. The platform isn't just about diversity, though. It's also about making the affiliate marketing process as smooth as possible. Owin provides user-friendly tools to help you track your performance and optimize your strategies. The intuitive interface, combined with a wealth of resources, ensures you're well-equipped to make the most out of your affiliate efforts. But what about getting paid? Owin has a reliable payment system. You can rest easy knowing that your commissions will be processed timely and accurately. No need to worry about delayed or missed payments. Owin, a winning choice for affiliate marketers. Breaking into our top 5, Pepperjam. A platform that has been making waves in the affiliate marketing arena, Pepperjam is renowned for its innovative solutions. With a user-friendly platform that's easy to navigate, even for beginners, Pepperjam has made affiliate marketing a breeze. Its unique approach to affiliate marketing is a breath of fresh air, providing marketers with the tools they need to succeed. From tracking tools to detailed analytics, Pepperjam equips its users with a wealth of resources that make marketing campaigns more effective and efficient. But it's not just about the tools. Pepperjam also boasts a reliable payment system, ensuring that marketers get paid on time, every time. Whether it's direct deposit or PayPal, Pepperjam offers a variety of payment options to suit everyone's needs. It's clear that Pepperjam is more than just an affiliate marketing platform. It's a comprehensive solution that takes care of everything, from campaign management to payment processing. Pepperjam, spicing up the affiliate marketing world. At number 4, we have JVZoo. This platform is a titan in the affiliate marketing world, especially when it comes to digital products. JVZoo's focus on digital offerings sets it apart from many other affiliate networks. Whether you're looking to promote online courses, ebooks, or software, JVZoo probably has something to match your needs. What's more, JVZoo boasts some of the highest commission rates in the industry. This means that every sale you make through your affiliate link can bring in a hefty chunk of change. But perhaps the most unique feature of JVZoo is its instant payment system. This means that you don't have to wait for monthly or weekly payout periods. Instead, the moment a sale happens, your commission is deposited into your account. This feature alone makes JVZoo a favorite among many affiliate marketers who appreciate the immediate cash flow. JVZoo, a top choice for digital product affiliates. Coming in at number 3, Trade Doubler. Setting a high bar in the world of affiliate marketing, Trade Doubler is a global powerhouse known for its extensive reach and vast range of affiliate programs. Spanning across 80 countries, it's a platform that truly embodies the word global. Trade Doubler offers marketers an opportunity to partner with thousands of leading brands, providing a diverse selection of products and services to promote. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of Trade Doubler's innovative marketing solutions is just as impressive. Their advanced tracking systems, creative promotional tools, and insightful data analysis ensure that every campaign is a success. And let's not forget about payments. Trade Doubler offers a reliable and timely payment system, ensuring affiliates receive their earnings without a hitch. With a variety of payment methods, it caters to the needs of affiliates worldwide, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Trade Doubler, a global powerhouse in the affiliate marketing industry. At number 2, we have Max Bounty. This platform is not just another player in the affiliate marketing world, it's a game changer. Known for its competitive commission rates, Max Bounty offers a wide range of affiliate programs that cater to various niches. Whether you're interested in health and beauty, automotive, or anything in between, you'll likely find a program that suits your interests. But that's not all. Max Bounty's platform is user-friendly, making it easy for affiliates to navigate and manage their campaigns. With its intuitive interface, you can track your performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions with ease. And let's not forget about the payment system. Max Bounty ensures that you get the fruits of your labor in a timely and reliable manner. They offer multiple payment methods, including direct deposit, check, wire transfer, and even Bitcoin. So, you can choose the method that works best for you. Max Bounty, maximizing your affiliate marketing potential. And finally, at number 1, Bluehost. As we delve into the world of affiliate marketing, we can't overlook Bluehost, a titan in the field of web hosting. Their affiliate program is highly lucrative, offering handsome commissions for every referral. Bluehost stands out because of its reputation as a leading web hosting provider. It's a name that's trusted by millions of website owners worldwide, making it an easier sell for affiliate marketers. Their services are excellent, and the customer support is top-notch, which only adds to the appeal. But what's an affiliate program without a reliable payment system? Bluehost ensures your efforts are rewarded timely and accurately. The payment process is seamless, and Bluehost ensures affiliates are paid promptly. Their platform is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for affiliates to track their progress and earnings. So, if you're looking for an affiliate program that offers high payouts, a reliable payment system, and a reputable product, look no further. Bluehost, the top choice for affiliate marketers. So there you have it, the top 15 websites for affiliate marketing. From CJ Affiliates' vast network to Bluehost's lucrative commission rates, each platform offers unique opportunities to grow your earnings. It's essential to consider factors like payment methods, commission rates, and the range of products when choosing a platform. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from choosing the right platform, so make your choice wisely. Thanks for watching.